Wow.
We've had quite a lucky winter where we haven't really had too much to deal with snow.
It's been interesting, you know, coming back to Ohio after 15 years. I haven't been back. I don't even feel like I'm in Ohio right now. Just looking at the forecast today, we're going to be near 70. So
Welcome back to tropical Ohio.
I was going to say I was in Alabama over the weekend, and it's not going to feel any different today here in Central Ohio, but that's all right. Here's what we're tracking. We are looking at the possibility of something interesting later this week. As far as today, we're flirting with 70 to start the week, cool and dry through most of the week. And then there is the possibility of maybe some snow by the end of the week. That would be from Friday heading into Saturday. So we'll talk more about that here right now with your looking ahead forecast. Now, for the day today, we are watching kind of a weak disturbance move in across the state. This will lead to some sprinkles this morning across the north, primarily north of I-70. And then we're also looking at the possibility of a couple of light rain showers later on after about 6 o'clock this evening. But pretty quiet day all in all, and there will be some sunshine mixing in for the day today. Now, a few sprinkles today. After that, we get a north wind driving in some very quiet weather for us for the middle of the week. So basically dry and cool all the way from Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. But after that, there is some model disagreements on what's going to be happening heading into Friday and Saturday. But here's Friday morning, 3 a.m. There will be the possibility of that rain, snow moving in through central Indiana. And then as far as what happens here in central Ohio, at this point, it looks like Friday will feature mainly rain. However, we could see some snow on the backside of the system moving into Saturday. Now, all of this is still way up in the air. We'll be watching this for you as we go through the next couple of days. Now, temperatures are going to be diving. So we're going to look for temperatures nice and tropical. Again, I was in Alabama over the weekend, feeling like Bama for today. 68 degrees. We're actually cooling things down, heading into the 40s as we go through tomorrow and the rest of the week. Out there right now, very quiet, 42 in the capital city. That east-southeast wind picking up a little bit. The wind out of the east is actually going to switch to the south for the day today, and that's what's going to help us warm up so quickly. Again, today it's going to be 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. Satellite and radar, most of the rain is north of us here in central Ohio. There could be some light sprinkles up here out towards Marion, Delaware, north of Franklin County along Mount Vernon, maybe Newark seeing a couple of sprinkles. So as you're heading out the door this morning, know that there will be that chance, especially north of I-70. This is your hour-by-hour forecast. Again, we'll see more sunshine across the southeast today. Here's 1 o'clock. Should see some sunshine from Caldwell to Jackson out towards Chillicothe. There's that south wind and a couple of light showers again north of I-70. Heading towards this afternoon, should see more of a mix of sun and clouds. That'll help to see our temperatures warm up to near 70. And later on this evening, it's after about 6 p.m. This is where I'll expect to see a couple of light little rain showers dancing around out there from 6 p.m. all the way as we go through about 11 o'clock for tonight. Taking a look at your forecast for the next couple of days, I certainly would be breaking out the short sleeves and enjoying the day today while you can, because those temperatures much cooler and more seasonable, more Ohio-like as we go through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then there you go, your inconvenient weather day shaded in red. It does look like we'll have mostly rain on Friday, but on Saturday we could actually see that mixing over to snow. We'll continue to watch that over the next couple of days.